2 o'clock. Okay, welcome back. Let's continue with what we are doing now. Okay, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So when we are at this juncture, and we are discussing on what we have to do if there is another value coming. I think this is where we are, right? Okay. I think this is where we are at 50, 25, and 75. And what is the next value that we have thought about?
65, sir.
Okay, right. So I think the 65 should be placed here. So, first of all, I need to think that if I am calling my insert with this as root, if I can place it directly, I can place it okay. But I cannot place it directly here. 50 is completely filled with LA and RA. But 65 is greater than 50. So I should place it right, but I cannot place this because already 8162 is a node with 75 as a value occupying this space. So now I have to do only one thing like go right. So then it should concentrate on this. With 50 alive, we are just moving to 75 and just looking whether the 65 can be placed left or right, or we have to go left or go right. Then my doubt is, when main is calling insert of root, we can directly go for this insert function like this, right? We can directly go to this insert function like this, creating a new node and seeing where we have to place it. Until now, fine. But how we can go to a position like 75 and place it on the left side of 75? This is my doubt. Any idea that you got? Did you understand the question what I am placing now before you? My question on the table is how many nodes I have to go through for placing 65. If you leave how many, but how you actually traverse from 50 to 75. Traverse in the sense there is no need for you to create any duplicate here. You have one way called recursion. You can use recursion to traverse from 50 to 75.
Can we use a while loop, sir?
While loop will be little bit difficult. How do you use while loop?
We'll keep a statement like not equals to none and we'll do it, sir.
Okay. So not equal to none, and so you will go to its left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can simply go with how many times you can go. Like, okay, let us write what you said. So, for example, I am placing 65. You know that 65 is greater than 50. Okay, and hence you cannot directly place it here. How to eliminate this instruction? I cannot place it here. I have to go to the while loop according to what you said. Can you tell me now?
Yes, sir. While root dot RA is not equals to none.
Okay, while root dot RA not equals to,
none.
okay, none.
When it is not equals to none, this statement will be going in, sir.
So it should come out, right? Because if it is none only, this should execute.
Yes, sir.
So if it is not equal to none, what will you do? So root, it's not equal to none anyway, according to our diagram. Now you are here because your root is 50. Now you are here. So its right is not equal to none. So what will you do now?
We will increment the. We'll go to the other root, sir.
Okay. So I will say root is equal to root RA. So
And
you are
then,
saying that I want to, okay, now you have to declare a traverser then.
yes, sir.
You are using a while loop. Okay, then I will declare a traverser for this.
We can use version.
Tra is equal to root, I will say. So I will check every time TRA, TRA, and here also TRA, this one, TRA, TRA. Okay, so you are going to the right side. But when you go to the right side, okay, so now you are here and your right side is none. Fine. This is satisfying according to this. So your right side is none, you are satisfying. So you come out. Will you place directly in the right side now?
No, sir. Now we will check the value again. For I will keep a if loop, if condition again.
You place if condition. Tell me what is if condition.
If new node data
Okay, new node dot data
greater than transfer data.
greater than, okay, traversal dot data.
Now in the right value, will keep the new node.
So if it is not so,
We'll keep it in the left node.
okay, root dot RA. So until 65 it is okay.
Sir,
For,
root dot LA, sir.
root dot LA. So for 65 it is okay. Now let's go with the next aspect. So now I want to keep 55. I want to send 55. Now check your condition whether it will be right or wrong. Here we are sending 65 and now I want to send 55 here. So insert root comma 55. So 55 will come here. If data it is not satisfying, so it is satisfying because new data is greater than your TRA data, that is 50. So while TRA dot RA not equal to none, so what you will say, you will traverse to right side. Okay, but this time 75 right is anywhere none, so you will come here. So what is new data 55 is greater than, is not greater than this 75. So your TRA is still in 75, right? Your TRA is in 75 in this case. Did you understand?
సార్ ఆల్రెడీ 65 పెట్టేసిన తర్వాత అది నన్ను అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇది అవుతుంది కదా సార్.
ఏమా
65 పెట్టేస్తాం సార్ ఫస్ట్ పెట్టేసేటప్పటికి ఓకే.
65 పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది?
కరెక్టే సార్. మళ్ళీ అందులో నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు నన్ కాబట్టి అది నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు నన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి కదా సార్.
మరి అదే కదా,
లోపలికి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ 65 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
సో ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఎస్
ఎస్ సార్.
yes, correct. So I will just rub it off. So that means you need to understand that While loop is only possible if you are working with a data structure of linear aspect, like arrays and linked lists, which are sequential. But trees are unpredictable. They are non-sequential and they are non-linear actually. Instead of non-sequential, we can say they are non-linear. At every node, we have to check whether we have to go to right or left in binary search tree. So first of all, you need to understand that you have to go through every node, like how you have come to root. Did you understand? So I'll just explain you something like this. If main calling insert with 50 as root, if 50 is this is insert, right? If 50 is filled with both right and left, why can't the insert call based on the condition the next 25? So again the insert will call 25 and then go on. Let's do this one. I have a small problem developed for you. So we will do it one by one. Okay? So let's go through this one. I will draw a small diagram. So you will understand my intent. Okay? So we have already created a concept of a node with two ends, the left address, right address, and data. Let's see. What is being done in main? We are creating a root node and calling the first insert, 25. Okay, right. Let's call 25. So first of all, I call main. So I am using it using the stack type of program where you are calling function upon function. Carefully observe what I am doing here. So in main, what I am doing, can you tell me?
We are sending the values.
Not only sending. From the first, what I am doing actually in main. Am I creating root?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Root I am creating with 50. So you know how I am creating root. So I will directly draw the root. So there is a node that is created as root and it is 50 both with none and there is an address 6101. Fine. What is the first thing main is trying to do in our program? What it is doing? It is trying to call insert function. Insert function with root and 25. Right? I hope you are understanding.
Yes,
Insert
sir.
function with root and 25. So now I will push the insert function into the stack. So I have shown you this one, right? How the functions are called. So this is insert function. So insert function is called. So first of all, what we are doing in the insert function, new node. We are creating a new node. Let's write, right? We are creating a new node. So create new node. New node with what? Because we called insert, right? So I will call something like this. I will write something. Because I did not write call here. Call insert of root comma 25. This is the number. In insert, we are receiving 50 as the root. You see, I am highlighting it. 50 as the root. I will write it with red color so you will see it. So this is 50. We are receiving 50 as the root. And after creating a new node, let's first create a new node. I am writing it in order. Generally, they will be in different locations with none and 25 Here may be 7101. This is one address. Now we need to connect it. The next step that we are doing is, what is the next step that we are doing after connecting new node? First check the condition, right? Check condition. What is the condition? Whether 50 is greater than 25 or 50 is less than 25. And based on that, what we have done?
You're connecting to the left or right, sir?
Okay, so I will just I will come back to the previous code because I have changed all TRA and everything. I will change it to like. Okay, I will do this one. This is
So still you need to go back, sir. You left the while things, sir.
I will. Okay, okay. I have to revert to it. Okay. So place left and place right is very easy. Now we are going for go left and go right. Now let's see what will happen in this case. So we checked the condition. Which condition is satisfying? Which should I place left or place right?
Left, sir.
Okay, left. So I will say place left. Simple. So you can rub this one in place of none. Put down 7101 here and connect it. Okay, fine. We have connected it. So what happens next? Because this function has served its purpose, it will be popped now. So that means this function will be erased from your stack. Still main is left. And in main, we have some more things to do. Next, we are calling 75. Okay. So again, come back. In main itself, instead of 25, now I will place with 75. I'm calling insert with 75. So when I'm calling insert, naturally you have to push insert. So top plus 1. So don't think that it is all done by your computer. You don't need to put stack and all. So top plus 1 will be done. So insertion function will be called. What happens in the memory I am showing you? Insert function is called. So again, what you are doing in the insert function? What is the first step? The root, what is the root that you are receiving in the insert function in this one? 50.
50, sir.
What you are receiving. And what is the first step that you do?
We'll create a new node, sir.
Yes, new node. So you will have a new node with 75 because we send 75, right? And with none. What is the next step that you do?
We'll check the condition.
You will check.
Check condition. So which condition is being satisfied here? This or this?
Second condition, sir.
Second condition. So this is the line that should be executed because second condition is done. So for that, I will do this one. First of all, I need to give some address. So 8101 will be done and it gets connected to this. Fine. So the purpose of this one is also served. Actually, I have to write here. After check the condition, place right. So we have placed it. So the purpose is finished. So this function will be popped out and we again come to main. The main function comes here. So we have to imagine that this might be erased. Like your stack, this is popped out. What is the next thing that we are doing? Insert 65. So this time I will rub this one and write comma 65. Insert. So again it is calling insert up this one and write down insert function. Insert. So what is the root that we are receiving?
50 on
50. What is the first thing that you are doing?
new node.
New node. So it's 65, right? So let's create a new node. With both nuns and 1010 is the address. What is the next one that we have to do?
Check condition.
Check condition. Check condition. Okay, we checked it. And we could see that this condition is satisfying, right side. But can we place it? If we place it, 65 will replace 75. Did you understand? The 75 will be replaced by 65. What should we do now?
Sir, can we do like this, sir?
Like
కండిషన్ పెట్టిన తర్వాత చెక్ చేస్తాం సార్ 50కి నన్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా అని. ఒకవేళ రెండిట్లకి నన్స్ ఉంటే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్ ని 75 గా మారుస్తాము. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి ఏదైతే రైట్ కి వస్తుందో ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ గా 75 రూట్ నుంచి చేసుకొని వస్తుంది.
సో అట్లా కాదు, you cannot change the structure of the tree. So I will say something. Until now we are saying that place right or place left. Now I will say go right. Go right in the sense what I will do, I will say I will call insert of roots left comma the value 65, because the 65 I am receiving, still I am not placing. What I am doing, I have to go right. So for that again I am calling myself insert of root comma L comma 6 root dot L comma 6 sorry root dot R comma 65. Because the insert function is called again, let us again write the insert function. Insert. So this time what is the root that we are receiving? Can you tell me?
75, sir.
75 sir.
25 or 75?
75, sir.
75. Yes, this time the root is 75 now in the insert, right? So what is the first thing that we are doing?
We'll create a new node.
Yeah, again create a new node. So that
That
means
means we have already created new node.
replace it. Yeah, it's a redundant thing that we will check anyway. And next one is
Checking the conditions.
checking the condition. Now, if you check the condition, because your 75 is left, because 65 is less than 75 and its left side is none. So what you do? You go right or place, so you go left or place left?
We'll place it in the left, sir.
Yes, you can simply say place left. That's all. So what happens now? Because we are placing in the left, 1010 will be pasted here and it will be done here, right? And now I want to put 55 next. So before that, everything is over. So now pop it. So this will be popped. That means this will be erased. So దీంతో పని అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా ప్లేస్ లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వగానే దీంతో పని అయిపోయింది, ఇంకేం చేయట్లా అది, erasing it. And in this anything this insert has to do, nothing is there, right? After last instruction call insert, nothing is there. Can I pop out again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can pop out. So that means it is also popped, erased, and still main is working constantly. So this time I want to insert 55. So what I will do now, I will rub this 65 and this time I want to insert 55. Now we will look into more conditions. So when I called insert, the insert function should be pushed over. Insert. What is the root that you are receiving here?
50, sir.
50. Fine. Create a new node. Next.
Checking the conditions, sir.
Checking the condition. Should I place left or go left? or should I place right or go right? What should I
To
do?
go right, sir.
Go right, because right side is not none and we have to go right definitely because your 55 is greater than 50. So what should the last instruction of this
Again,
call?
we'll call
All
a
insert.
Insert of what is that? Roots
R,
R.
root of R by comma 55.
Yes. So again we have to call our insert function. Again we are inserting something. So insert. What is the root that you receive here?
75, sir.
75. Because now you are coming here. Now your focus is in this position. Create a new node again.
We'll check the conditions and place it, sir.
No. It's 55 is less than 75, right?
Yes, sir.
So
It
shall
go
we
left side.
It again go left.
go
Again
left?
go left.
Go left in the sense what you will say again, call insert of what this time? R dot
RL
of
dot
L.
55, sir. RL.
R dot L comma 55. So again you are calling yourself with this as root. And so you will have again an insert function. What is the root now?
65, sir.
65, because 75 is left is 65. And again you create a new node. Next,
We'll check the conditions.
check the condition. This time I think if you check the condition, should you go left or go right or place left or place right?
We'll
Right.
place it left.
Left left sir.
Yes, because 65 is left is none and 55 is less than 65. We can simply say place left. So let's create a node with none, 55, and write its address as 5101. So 5101 will be given, and then we connect it. That's all. Is there anything left that this insert function should do? No, right?
We'll pop it out.
Pop it out. So this recursive insert function is popped out now. And anything this function has to do?
No, sir.
No. So come down. So this is also popped out. After the last instruction of every function, they will be popped out. So this has also nothing to do. So pop out. So by this time again we are coming to main. Sorry. And we are trying to insert again and calling it. So by this time you might have understood what we have to write it in the code. Now help me in writing the code. Now tell me what should I change here to go left and go right. So this is actually place left and this is actually place right. Now tell me when you will place it and when you will go. So I need to now write go left.
Sir, we'll place it when the address is empty, sir. We'll go when the address is filled with something.
Okay. So that means, do you want to write a condition?
Yes, sir. Condition like that root dot L.
Alias is equal to,
None.
then only we have to place it.
Else
So-
you'll call a function.
Yes, else. So go left in the sense, what will you do? Insert of, what is the next thing? Insert of what?
New node comma data, sir.
Not new node commanded. What you
RA.
you are calling the function again. So root dot what you will call send as a root.
LA, sir.
LA, yes, comma the data that you are getting. Okay. So write the same conditions here also. If root dot RA is equal to none, then place root dot RA is equal to new node. Else, so you are calling in a recursive. That means you are going right. So what should I write? Root dot
RA, sir.
RA, comma data. So this is how it actually works. Let us test it now and insert root comma 55. So I will test it. Okay. So you got your first thing to be done and then 25. So 25 as a new node is created. Now it is satisfying the first condition, right? So it goes to line 13. Is it satisfying line 13?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it will go to line 14. Yes. This is how it inserted. See the red arrow. Okay. Next. It will not satisfy and next it will come to 75. So 75 will be placed on the right side. So this is how, see the red arrow, it is placing on the right side. Fine. Now what is the next one? 65. You see now carefully. New node 65 will be created. Okay. And then first it will check this condition. Will this condition get satisfied?
No, sir.
No. Now it comes to the 19th line. Will it get satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now it comes to 21st line. Will it get satisfied?
No, sir.
No. So it comes to 25th line. So it is again insert. So you see another insert function will be called. You see here, this insert is there with root holding the root main, but this insert is there with root holding the roots right.
75,
That is
sir.
75. Okay. So now again another new node is created. This is where another mistake that we are doing. 65 unnecessarily is created in the before function in this insert, and again it is created now newly, you see. See how what a redundancy. In this case, where I am pointing to the red mark, it is unnecessary. Where I want to insert, there only I have to create a new node. Why every time you call a function, you are creating it so that your space complexity and also time complexity is increasing to create a node. See, now I think it will place on the left side of 75. So I think now you understand. This is created on the left side. Now according to our thing. Now the tree is ready. Again this time 55. It creates a node 55. See how many times the 55 will be created. Every time an insert function is called, the 55 will be created. So 55 is created. Is it satisfying with this condition?
No, sir.
No, it goes to 19th line. Next 21st. Is it satisfying? No.
No, sir.
Goes to 25. Again calling insert. Again a new node 55 is created, you see. Yes. And again it is not satisfying. So again a new insert will be created. You see how many inserts are there? Insert is calling main is calling insert is calling insert, and insert is calling insert. And you carefully observe that 55 is created for the third time again. So this time the 55 is finally connected and one by one will be popped out. You can see there. Okay. So now come to the previous one. So our tree is ready. According to us, the left side is connected to 25 and right side is connected to 75. 75's left is connected to 65 and 65's left is connected to 55. As we have done in the same way. You see here. This is the same tree that appeared here. Now my question is, how do you stop creating the new node again and again? And I want it to be whenever you are trying to place it, then only create the new node. What modification I need to do?
Sir, remove line number 9 and keep that in between 13, 14 and 21.
Yes, that's correct. So you want to place, so before insertion, you want to make me do this thing, right?
But if you do that, the if statements, what will happen, sir?
Yeah, that's what we need to go with. So directly we will compare with the data without new node data. Did you understand now? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay?
Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
So first we compare with the data with the root data. If the data is less than, then we create a new node and insert it if this condition is satisfied. Otherwise, we will send the data with this. So by this way, you can see now we can eliminate the creation of the new nodes. So I'm going fast. See, 25 is created and next 75 will be created. You see, now 65 will be created only during insertion. You see, only one time. Now 55 will be created only during insertion. Yes, only one time. That's all. I hope you understand now. So this is the final tree that you got with all the necessaries. So you have corrected two things. If you want to go left or go right, you made the answer by knowing what is happening in the memory. The next thing also, you have optimized your code in a best way, in the best sense that the new node is placed in the roots left creation and the rights creation whenever you want to place it. So by this way you have done a best job of optimizing the memory uses also. Any doubts in this? So you can start practicing it. Don't see my code. Write it on paper. Put one by one. Take a pencil and a rubber, like how I am rubbing it every time you do the same thing. Observe it and write the code on yourself. Then your brain will get that practice of writing a code by observation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
చూడు నాకైతే ఈ మధ్య క్రిములే కనిపిస్తున్నాయి హాస్పిటల్లో డ్యూటీ మరియు స్కిన్ జాగ్రత్తగా కూడా ఎలా చేస్తున్నావు
Okay, switch off mic.
సంతు ఇప్పుడు ఇస్తుంది క్రిముల నుండి రక్షణ అద్భుతమైన వెలుగు సంతు స్వచ్ఛ మరియు సురక్షిత చర్మ రక్షణ కొనండి రెండు
Okay, you go on with your practice. I am now shutting down the class. Bye bye.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
sir, can you put this code in the WhatsApp group, sir, for reference?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I will. Okay, I have kept it in your group PSP cyber security. You can look into that.